Okay, so after you are in KineMaster, you really don't have to have KineMaster Premium. You just need KineMaster. Now you go on media and then you put in like any image like or background. Now you put like anything, literally anything, any photo. We just need to hear the music. That's it, the audio. So now, as I said before, it's now shared into the internal. So you're gonna see it says there's Burn Christ tutorial. That's the one that I did right now. So that's the one I want to put. Okay, so it says here Burn Christ tutorial. That's it. And then you have to make the audio like at the same length. Okay. So as you can see, that is the sound. I recorded a video of every sound effects like that. I'm gonna send a link in the description. It isn't mine, it's from another channel, but I recorded their video. So you have to look for the recording of the sound effects. So you look for it. But I don't know if I'm the only one who does that sometimes, because like you see the iPad screen, well, I'm using iPad, so it's just something else, but like if you're using an iPad and you record it and you can't put it as a layer, so to fix that you need to crop it. Like in photos, you already have that option, you can crop it. So now I want to pick, for example, you want to hear only the sound effects to choose. Well, you put the Burn Christ song, well, to 0, like the volume to 0, so you can only hear the sound effects. So there's number 1. So I wanna pick number 1. Just for now, I wanna pick number 1. Put number 1. Then you split it, delete this. So this is the only part I want. Okay, now after you do that, you have to like, for example, you go to a mixer. I want to hear the song, so I could like decide where I want to put the sound effect. So you put the sound effect volume to 0, and you go back to Burn Christ and you put the volume to 100. Well, if you want to make it like extra loud, you could put it to 200, but like I just want to make it normal. Okay. So now I can hear only the Burn Christ. I can only hear the audio. So now I want to decide where I want to put. Now I want to put this. I want to hear the sound effect and see if it blends at the perfect timing with the beat. So I'm gonna put it back to 100%. Nah, it doesn't blend perfectly. I want it to blend. Decide when you want to put it. Now I want to put another sound effect near, like you see that, like that beep 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 beep. I want to put that one. I know it's weird the way I said it, but okay. You go back to recording. You put it again. You need to put again the layer. Yeah, I know, but like you need to do it again. And the number for the one that I want, hold on, is number 6. Get rid of this one. Now you only have the number 6 one. Okay, that's it. That's the thing. Hold on, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, now hear well. Well, I don't want to put like till the end of the sound effect. I just want to take a little bit of it, so like it doesn't get too loud. That's the part I want. I only want this bit of it. Now I put it like near when we hear like the swoosh, like the first swoosh. Sound effect need to be less stronger than the song, so you need to put it like to maybe 90%, and here you do it to 90% too. Hold on, but it's fine. Okay, now I want the song because like I can't really hear like the bomb thingy that much, so we can barely hear it. So I'm gonna make it to 200%, so like I can hear it. I don't know.
Was the best decision I ever made. Reality is lemons and they.
Okay, so you said that part where I made another gap, well, another effect, like that little giggle, I don't know, another giggle. So put it there. I put again the video. I need to put again the video of the sound effects. Then you search for number, turn it to. That's perfect. Oh my god, that's such a perfect. Okay, now you put it in the gap, well, the other gap where I put it like the song, well, the underwater effect. Okay. Okay, yeah. So it was somewhere there. The second one. I want to put it again so I can like hear another shing. So to do that, you put like, you tap on the three lines at the top left. You put to duplicate. And you move it, and then you move it here. Like, it's exactly like number 6 and number 1, but it just you do it like again. Let's say. Hold on. I feel like it's still not loud enough. Hold on. I'm gonna put it to 85. Okay, there you go. Okay, so, but if you don't want like those videos like to pop up, you can like make the opacity to 0, so you wouldn't see them if they bother you. Hold on. Again, and that's it. Well, if you want, you could still like make it like till you. That's it. That's the end result. Now that's, you have to export it. Like, we don't care about the quality. Like, it could be like extremely shitty. We just don't care. We just want to hear the audio. So skip that. The exporting also doesn't take much long. It only takes like a few seconds. It's exported. So if you want, you can turn that into an audio too. For example, I want to turn it to audio. Like, I don't want it really to be like a video only. So for that, yeah, copy to convert videos, and you see it here. It is copy to my MP3. You put it there. And now they're gonna extract the audio. You do open with, and then you go to copy to documents. And then you go move, and you go to documents again. So there you have it. You have it right there. So you really wouldn't need this one anymore. Like, if you still want the original sound, the original song, well, you can still put it. And now there you have it. That's the song. That's it. That's the edit. Now you can rename it. So for example, that's, and here it is. That's it for the video, guys. guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe if it was helpful. If you have any questions or any issues, you can try and tell me in the comments down below, and I think I can help because I've had lots of issues too while doing this. Well, yeah. Thank you, and thanks for watching.